Today we are talking credit score. What is it? Why it's important? How to improve it? How is it measured? And what is the range? Your credit score is a numeral way to measure, to determine whether or not you are a proper manager of your income. It determines how reliable you are in repaying your bills, in keeping your financial commitment. Your credit scores range between 300 and 850. If you have a credit score between 300 and 579, you consider to be someone of poor credit. If you have a credit score between 580 and 669, you consider to be someone of fair credit. Typically, when you have good and fair credit, it is extremely difficult for you to secure a loan of any kind because financial institutions sees you as a high risk. There are, however, some companies that specialize in giving loans to high-risk individuals with low credit score. The downside is the interest rates on those loans are extremely high. If you have a credit score between 670 and 739, you are said to have good credit, meaning you are 70% likely to repay your loan or to keep your financial commitments. If you have a credit score between 740 and 799, you are said to have very good credit. You will most likely repay your loan 80% of the time. If you have a credit score between 800 and 850, you're considered to be someone of very, very good credit. You have excellent credit, meaning you are 90 to 95% more likely to keep your financial commitments. The way your credit score is determined is based on a few factors. 35% of your credit score is based on your payment history. 30% of your credit score is based on the amount of money you owe. 15% of your credit score is based on your length of credit. That is to say, how long you've had a credit history. 10% of your credit score is based on new and the type of credit you have respectively. Your credit score plays a big role in your ability to grow financially. If companies don't think that you are capable of honoring your financial commitments, you are incapable of paying your bills on time, they are less likely to engage in business with you, making it extremely difficult for you to experience financial success. Your credit score, and I believe I mentioned this, but just in case I didn't, ranges between 300 and 850. That's as high it can get. Often referred to as your FICO score, your credit score is determined by the federal government. That's why it's often called a FICO score in some cases. So how do we improve our credit score? Or why is this really important? If you want to get a loan of any kind, whether it's a mortgage, a personal loan, or an auto loan, you need to have good credit. You need to show credit, meaning you have been in the system for some time and you are either a reliable borrower or you are an unreliable borrower. If you want to get an apartment, if you want to rent a room in someone's home, most of the time they will run your credit score just to determine how likely you are to repay or to pay your bills. There are two things you need to do to improve your credit score if you are not happy with it currently. And they're very simple. The first one is never miss a payment. Don't make a late payment on any of your bills. This will severely impact your credit score. As it comes in, pay it. Don't wait. Whether it's the electric bill, the phone bill, the hospital bill, whatever bills you have, as soon as it arrives, pay it. If you can set it up to where it is an automatic withdrawal from your checking account, do so. Pay it right away, since all of us tend to forget that these bills are due. The second thing you need to do is to pay off your credit card. If you have any credit card, make sure you pay it off when that bill comes. Don't wait until you get the bill and the interest is accruing because you couldn't pay off the credit card in full when the bill initially comes. I think that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, or anything you would like me to cover on this finance channel, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. My name is Philip. This is Mindful Money Management. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on for our new and exciting content surrounding personal finance. Until the next one, spend wisely, my friends.